Hello my loves, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Kensthetic with the Kensthetics, and I'm here with you guys today with a new video. So if you guys know me, if you guys know Kendra, if you guys know Kensthetic, you guys know I love me a good pair of sunglasses. So in today's video, I'm going to do a luxury and affordable sunglass try on haul. One thing about me, one thing about Kendra, one thing about Kensthetic is that whether a sunglass costs a cute coin or not, once they're cute and they look good on me, I F with them, period. So I'm here to show you guys new luxury and affordable sunglasses that I added to my sunglass collection, just so you guys know. So if y'all want to get them, y'all could get them too before they sell out. So if you guys are interested in seeing my sunglass try on haul, then go ahead and keep on watching. Before we get started, do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on your bell notifications so you guys can see all of my future amazing uploads. Give this video a big thumbs up, drop a comment down below, and without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. So before we got started, I wanted to give you guys details on today's look. So my hair in these cornrows done by _Kimmy. You guys saw, I transformed into a new woman in yesterday's vlog, but I have more details in Friday's upload. My earrings are coming from Vivienne Westwood. My makeup is my no foundation makeup routine. I just popped on a pair of lashes. These lashes are Confidence by Capriol New York, my girl Stishy's eyelash brand, period. And then I just have on my body glow. You guys are gonna see all of the details of this in the next few vlogs because I just been vlogging so much, so you guys can look forward to seeing details on, body care products used and all of that. But now let's go ahead and get into the sunglasses. So all of the sunglasses you guys are going to see in today's video will be linked down below, so make sure you guys go ahead and check out that description box. Most of them will be affiliate links, so when you guys shop through those links, I do make a small coin, so just keep that in mind. If you guys don't want me to make money, then you can just search the item online and purchase it that way as well. But let's go ahead and get right into it. So the first pair of sunglasses I'm going to share are coming from the brand Pucci. I purchased these sunglasses from Saks Off Fit, so I definitely paid, it says 80, but I feel like I paid less than that for these. But these are so stunning. I feel like I don't really have an all pink pair of sunglasses in my collection, and if you guys know me, if you guys know Kendra, if you guys know Kensthetic, my favorite color is pink. So once I saw these, I was like, oh, I need them. So these are the Sunnies. So these are them, and them is these. These are so freaking stunning. The thing with sunglasses too, I learned, is that not every sunglass looks right on me with every hairstyle. So when I change my hair, I just have to be cautious of that. But I feel like these sunglasses would look super cute with my hair like in an updo situation. And on the side, you guys can see it say Pucci, period. So I really love these sunglasses. Definitely a vacation wear. Love the cat eye effect of them. Love the monochromatic. Love how it just has like this frame on the top and it doesn't go all the way until like the bottom. It just gives a nice edgy look to these sunglasses, but I absolutely love them. You guys can expect to see me wear these on vacation, and a Pucci swimsuit is on my luxury wish list. So let's just cross our fingers and hope that we can make things move and make things shake so that we can have a full Pucci look. But these are so stunning. The next pair of sunglasses are coming from Asos. I actually shared these with you guys in my most recent Asos and Zara try on haul. These are them, and them is these. These are so fire. Oh my god, they look so cute with my braids too. But I love these sunglasses because I don't know if you guys can see, but it has like this detailing of like different shade speckles on them. These are so freaking stunning. I think these are like 20 bucks. They give me like a Desi vibe of sunglasses. Obviously Asos quality, not Desi quality, but they're so cute. So if you guys are on the hunt for, I guess, like Desi dupes or Desi inspired glasses and you're shopping on a budget, check these out. Asos, 20 cash, can't go wrong. The next pair of sunglasses that I want to share are actually coming from Amazon, and when you guys see them, you're gonna be like, Amazon? Yes girl, Amazon. So I actually found these sunglasses from my girl Kayla Cake's vlog. She showed these and I ordered them right away. So these are them, and them is these. These are so like, these are so fire. They make my head look so small because I think I have a big head. do not mind me, but I think I have a big head. So these sunglasses definitely make my head look smaller. They're 1,000% out of my comfort zone, but I love them so much. I love the bug eye lens and then the thick legs of the glasses. These are so fire. Like, oh my god, they come in different colors too. So they come in black, they come in like different gradients of like yellow and green and blue and orange. So I will have the link for these down below, and when you guys click that link, they'll show you all of the different color options. But I love the gradients of the lens, I love the gradients of the frame color. Everything about these sunglasses are given luxury, and baby, they're coming from Amazon, but no one would ever know. So what you waiting for? Y'all need to get these, okay? I can see myself wearing these in the airport. Definitely wearing these in the airport with my Asos fuzzy slippers that I showed you guys in my last try on haul. Baby, I'm giving looks in the airport, period. The next pair of sunglasses are coming from Chrome Hearts. I think I showed you guys these in a vlog, but I feel like they deserve shine in like a sunglass try on haul. So I purchased these when I went to Miami back in March, April. And these sunglasses are so fire. I actually wore these on my birthday in Panama. These sunglasses are so fuego. Oh my god, everything about them. Okay, so love the shape of them. Super cute, super sleek, super feminine. Love the detailing of like the Chrome Hearts here. It's like giving a little bit, but just not giving too much. I hate when products have their brands all over it. Like, you know, it's just like a little sneak peek and that's it, okay? A little doo-doo and then it shuts up. I love these. They kind of look like optical glasses, but I love that aspect of them. These are so freaking cute. I don't think you can purchase these online. I think you have to go in store and purchase them from Chrome Hearts. And as I mentioned, I got these from the Chrome Hearts store in Miami. So I'm not sure if they'll have them in the Chrome Hearts store in your local city. But they had these and one other pair. Yeah, I don't know if they still have these because as I mentioned, I bought these back in March or April, whenever the last time I went to Miami was. But these are so freaking cute. I'll put a picture here to show you guys how I styled them when I wore them on my birthday in Panama. But these have definitely found a spot in my favorite sunglasses in my collection. Next up are these are my first pair of Balenciaga sunglasses, I think, and baby, I am in love with these. Okay, showed you guys these in my last huge collective try on haul, but once again it needed a shine in a separate sunglass try on haul. So these are Balenciaga sunglasses. These are so fire. So as you guys can see, it has a zebra detailing on the frame, and they do have blue lenses, but I feel like they're coming off black in this lighting. But I'll go ahead and put a picture or video here for you guys to see how it looks in natural lighting. But these sunglasses are so fire. These come in cheetah print as well, so I was stuck in the middle, like, should I get the cheetah or should I get the zebra? But I feel like the zebra was just different for me because one, the lenses are blue. I don't have any other sunglasses, I don't think, that have blue lenses this shade, and then I love the contrast against the zebra. Like, baby, what? Balenciaga really did a thing or two with these, period. And I was thinking of getting the cheetah print ones too, but there's so many other sunglasses that I have on my luxury sunglass wish list, so I'm just like, I don't have the time to be double dipping right now. I don't have the coins to be double dipping right now. But I definitely do want to get the Balenciaga Dynasty sunglasses in emerald green. I love the lenses on those because they're black, but they're not dark. They're black, but they have like a wash to them. Coming real soon, okay? Manifesto Nato sunglasses find their way in my lap real soon. But these are so fire. I wore these for my birthday when I went to LA, and I got so many compliments in the airport, and I'm like, Balenciaga, baby, okay? But these are so cute. Love them. So happy that I got these. And I didn't tell you guys the prices of these, but these were, I think, $4.90, and the Chrome Hearts one were $900. So yeah, y'all know I love treating myself from time to time, and I love sunglasses, so why the freak not? Next pair of sunglasses are coming from Asos. I purchased these recently. I had them saved for a while, and it said low in stock, and I'm like, I need these sunglasses, so let me just go ahead and buy them now. I think I ended up paying $16 for them, which to me wasn't bad. But these are them, and them are these. Like, how freaking stunning are these? I'll wait. Like, These have a clear frame and the lens is like an orange shade. These are so freaking fire to me. They look fire with my braids. I do plan on wearing them with like an updo or my hair up in a puff. I feel like that would look cute. But these sunglasses are so fire, and they're low-key giving like designer. They're probably a knockoff of some brand, child. They're low-key giving me like Louis. I still don't know how to pronounce that, the brand, child, but the shape of them are giving me that. But the color, the colorway, the color scheme is not. But I still have to say that these are giving like a luxury feel at an affordable price, and we love that. So these are so cute. The last pair of sunglasses that I want to share are one of the newest pair of sunglasses to my collection, and they are coming from Louis Vuitton. These right here are a mother freaking tea. Okay, these are my first pair of Louis Vuitton sunglasses as well. So ooh, I'm interested to see how these look with my braids, because I only try them on with my natural hair, and I love them with my natural hair, but with braids I feel like they're going to hit different. So these, ooh, so these are them, and them are these. These are so fire, and my favorite thing about these is this little charm. It's an LV charm, but the shape of these, the color of these, everything. Once again, the lenses are a little dark in here, but they do have a lot of wash to them. But it's giving Louis Vuitton, but it's whispering, because y'all know how I feel about brands just being like too flashy, too out there. The Millionaire sunglasses are cute, and they were on my wish list for a while, but I don't know, something about them just doesn't, I don't know, I feel like I just can't see myself paying for those. Okay, so that would have to be a gift. But these are so fire. Like, and these low-key make me want to get the Louis Vuitton hoops. I told myself I wouldn't get them, but I just might have to get them now. But these are so freaking fire, and they do come in a lighter colorway as well. But I do plan on wearing these in my little trip to New Orleans, so you guys can expect to see some content with these. But yeah, so those are all of the sunglasses, affordable and luxury, that I've added to my sunglass collection lately. Comment down below and let me know which one of these sunglasses are your favorite. Do you guys plan on picking any of these up? Do you guys currently own any of these? Comment down below and let your girl know. As I mentioned earlier, links to all of these sunglasses can be found down below in the description box, so make sure you guys check out the description box and shop those links, period. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, make sure you guys subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on your bell notifications, give this video a big thumbs up, drop that comment down below, and until my next video, I'll see you guys later.
Beautiful.